welcome back to another video. I am making a habit of starting my videos outside because it is warm, the weather is nice, why not? I mean, it is a bit scorching, but are at Laduree because this is my office for today. I have, no lie, maybe like 50 emails to get through, and instead of being cooped up at home, I came here. However, they're not a big fan of laptops, so I guess we're just gonna have a quick breakfast. Or lunch, actually, shall I say. I am still using my verified bag that I showed you guys from last week, and it is actually so spacious. First off, in the beginning, I felt like the arms were going to be a little bit flimsy, but they're not. They're quite durable, and I just love her. This is my second time using her, but she fits quite a lot. Maybe I'll give you guys what's in my bag. So I have my card holder, my mobile charger, and this is massive and heavy. We've got keys, my earphone. More importantly, it's like 100 degrees here in New York this week. So we have my most important thing, deodorant. So I just want to say that I am really grateful for an oasis like this in the city when you're kind of away from all of the noise and all of like the buildings and the construction and the mess and the chaos. And like here you just hear a little bit of water. It's tucked like in a nook. I know like Laduree, Soho, the garden, everybody, it's well known, but it's still, I'm so very grateful for it. And there's just like a little bit of sun peeking through, and you have like, you're surrounded by trees. I don't know, like I'm such a city girl to my core, and like I love running around in the city, and I have, maybe because my mom made me like this, like I'm always moving. But I do love like a nature-esque, quiet, calm place to just like breathe. And I always tell Rashid, I'm like, you know, I think eventually I want like a little homestead farm type of situation. Good morning, everybody. It is a really warm day in New York, so we're gonna head to the beach. But first, we're gonna have some breakfast.
These are so good.
Just grabbing a very necessary coffee, and we're on our way. It's kind of partly cloudy, the sun is going in and out, but I think it's gonna get sunnier. It's supposed to be like 90 something degrees today, so we all kind of had the same idea. And then this Coco and Eve 10 boosting anti-aging body oil SPF 45. It's my first time trying it out. I always wear SPF because I thought I was immune to the sun, and then I burned really badly, and we're going to protect ourselves because burns hurt, plus they can cause skin cancer and stuff down the line. I really want to share with you the best gift that I've ever gotten, because my protein shake is in here, and I'm not someone that likes to carry like big water bottles or anything like that, but I do want to make sure I get my protein, and it's been helping my journey. This is a Stojo, and it's a collapsible cup. My cousin gave it to me. What I do is I just put in a scoop of my protein, which you will see, and then I just grab a bottle of water and throw it in this, and this is so helpful and so convenient, and it fits in everything, and you don't have to worry about like, I don't know, carrying a brick of Parmesan or a freaking yogurt or something like that. This is like the best gift. Like I don't care about like crazy expensive material. I like stuff like this. Cheers. Yes, it is my day off, but I like to make the most out of my days. So if I'm going to spend the morning resting and relaxing, totally fine. But I like to get things done. So for example, I have to go get contacts, so I looked up and I scheduled an appointment. They had the last appointment availability at 4 p.m., so I'm running to the eye doctor right now. I'm a bit sporadic like that. Are you guys like that? When I was traveling with my cousin, we had like 2 days in Paris, and I said, oh my God, I want to get my hair cut in Paris. We had like maybe 2 hours before the train. And I told her, I was like, do you think I could go get it really quickly? She had to stop me. But I'm someone that likes to do like maybe 20 things in one day.
Can you read the bottoms?
Yes, HDF.
So a little bit of a change to the prescription. Your right eye has a bit more astigmatism this time.
We are clocked into work. We are walking on the pad. It's a good way to start the morning. We're going to start our morning I have some blueberries, some egg whites, and this is about 22 grams of protein. Before I drink the matcha or coffee or anything, I actually like to have a proper breakfast or at least 20 grams of protein. I just drank matcha today. I am not a matcha drinker, but it is something that I am trying to change because I do know that coffee constantly is not necessarily beneficial. Quite a busy day at work, and I've been definitely snacking nonstop, or not snacking. I've been making a bunch of little meals today, but it's because I'm kind of tired, and I wanted to share with you guys my favorite sandwich that I've been making. Well, I think it's like perfect for the summertime. Last year, I went to Bartolo in the West Village, and I wanted to order something small, and when I got there, they had like this little anchovy like finger sandwiches. Oh my god, it tasted so good, and I started making it at home like every single day, because that's what happens to me, you know. I like get introduced to something new, and then I love it, and then I can't stop eating it. I have these cento anchovies. I have this sourdough from Whiteman's, which is like a rosemary sourdough, and it's like so oily and delicious. And then when you put like thin slices of cucumber and gouda, wow. Quite similar to the ones I have on, yeah? I have a type. I am here at this place called Faena or Faena. Been on my list for a long time. However, it is such a beautiful place. I am sitting outside, so you're not even seeing like a modicum of how amazing this place is. So I'll make a video. I've just clocked out of work and I'm about to go on vacation. I love when I put my automatic message, like automatic reply. Yes, I will be out of office. Yes, I am out of office. We're packing for, drum roll please. Well, actually, you know what? I'm going to just show you what I'm packing, and maybe you'll tell me where you think I'm going. I just wanted to say, after my closet clean out, I didn't do any shopping for this vacation. If you have a lot of pieces that you like in your closet, and if you really keep things that are intentional to your style, you don't have to go shopping for every single vacation. So pro tips. That feeling. Starting off with the best portable steamer, which I'll link below. I packed an insane amount of sandals and heels, and she just looked at me and whatever. Bunch of prints, a bunch of different types of SPF, and a big hat. We'll leave you here. Thank you so much for spending time with me. I will see you in the next one.